Hey guys, it is Andre and today I'm coming at you with a haul video. I am so excited. I feel like I haven't filmed a haul in a while. My last haul was featuring a ton of shops. I ended up deleting it because I just felt like kind of like meh. And whenever I feel meh, I feel like I don't sound as exciting about the products, and then I sound like I'm disappointed because I just like am bad at like masking the fact that I'm tired, and it's just like I didn't want to film that day. So I just decided to delete it just because I didn't want to sound like sad and like weird. But I do have a lot of things to show you guys today. I kind of think keeping my hauls a little bit on the shorter side. I tried for a couple of weeks doing like big massive hauls where I just put everything to the side, but I feel like once I like looked at it, I was like, I have to film a whole haul with like, there's just so many things, and I'm like, I get overwhelmed and then I'm tired and it's a whole thing. I know I'm complaining about hauling, but first world problems, I know. So let's go ahead and go over some of the things I've ordered. You guys are probably like, what are these? So if you guys don't know, which I think most of you do by now, my foil is manufactured. So that means I order foil in very large quantities and have it made out of house. That's why it's so perfect. That's why we can offer an affordable price point. And I have been waiting for, I order my foil in molds. So it's cheaper to order, you know, foil like bigger and then they cut it down. Rather than ordering a bunch of like single like foiled sheets, you know what I'm saying? It's like a big sheet and then they trim it down. So I had a little space in a mold and I was super excited because I've been waiting to have space in a mold for a very long time to be able to fit these in, which I'm so excited. So this is kind of like a haul because I won't be offering these in the shop obviously, so it's something that's just for me. But I got these made. These are in Jessica's handwriting and they say with Bennett, with Nick, with Baby J, with Dra, and then Bennett's. So I can add them to different stickers. For instance, so I have 2,000 of these, but in each foil color. I don't think I'll ever go through them all, but you know. So if I want to add like big apple pie with Nick or with Baby J, I can fit it in there. There's like tons of other ones like cuddle time, and then I can put with Nick or whatever movies, or like I know that we have tons of stickers coming out that are like, where are they? I could do like pizza night with Baby J and then stick Baby J down there, but I wanted to have little foil names. I'm actually going to do some for Kirsten and then I'll have some of those, but I wanted to wait until she found out the gender of her baby, which she hasn't yet, but whenever she does, I'm going to do ones for them too, and then I'll steal a bunch of those because obviously she doesn't need 2,000 of them either. But I was like, Kirsten, if you have a girl, how cute would it be if we could do one that says with my girls? I thought that'd be adorable. But anyways, so those are the foiled items that I had made especially for moi. I did pick up this paper pad at Michael's. I picked up a couple other things at Michael's, but I think I'm going to do in my December videos a December daily haul where I just haul everything that I've gotten for my December daily. This I picked up just in case I wanted to do a Christmas spread in my rings planner. I did do a Christmas planner setup, and that's for like planning Christmas things, but I picked this up just in case I wanted to do just another Christmas spread. I didn't think I wanted to use like the same thing in my rings planner just because I like kind of variety, having different things to look at. So I picked this up. This was from Michael's and I thought it was really, really pretty. It's called Sugar Blush. It is blush pink and gold, which y'all know my heart fluttered. So picked that up and it was probably like under $20, I would assume. Then I have my Simply Gilded floral box, which I actually haven't seen anyone open yet. I think this is the October box. I'm not sure. It might be the November. I don't know. I just got September like a week ago, so I'm not quite sure on which month this is. That was in my, oh wow. That was in my haul I did. You have your box here, which I normally just toss these. They are really, really pretty. But I don't have anything to do. I don't have anything to do with those. Yeah, I think that's the word I'm looking for. This is really pretty. This is a heavy pen. She real cute. I'm not a huge fan of rose gold, so this box in general is just kind of like very rose gold for me, but this pen is awesome. Ooh, it's gel. It feels like heavy. I'm trying to think. Where's my other pens? Yeah, it's heavier. It's like, I feel like it's like a lot heavier than the Papermate Enjoy Gel. That's heavy. Like, it feels like pretty much the same weight as whatever this pen is, but it's heavy. This glitter is so cool. I don't think it's coming off. A little bit, but not too crazy. That's so pretty. It's probably my favorite pen that I've ever gotten. Normally I just kind of like declutter the pens, but this one I'm going to keep. And normally I'm not a rose gold person, but this is so cute. This would be so cute if she did one for like holiday time that was like gold with like red glitter. Oh, that'd be so pretty. Yes. This is really nice. I would say it's probably like a 0.5. This is 0.38. Yeah, I would say it's like 0.4 probably. No, it's probably 0.5. This is really nice though. I love this pen. This is so cute. I love how glittery it is. I love this in more colors, Irene, if you're watching. It's pretty. You have your little card which says everything that is in there. I'll throw that out. Then you have what I'm most excited for, which is the bracelet. I think this looks like the Cartier, whatever, love bracelet, which is so pretty. That's kind of the vibes I get. And it is rose gold. I don't feel like it's an offensively rose gold. This is like next to a gold pen gem. Let me go ahead and open this. I'm going to haul this in a second. Well, I could just haul this together. So I got this pen gem. My friend Susan actually bought it for me. I have no idea, like, I didn't even see this get released. I think it was like a pre-sale for like VIB or something. But you can see it's not like an offensively rose gold. It's kind of like almost like a light rose gold, if that's a thing, and I really like that because I'm not like a huge rose gold person. It is kind of bigger, but I'm sure you could just squeeze it. I probably put this on the wrong, wait, I'm on the righty, right? Why is this so hard to do? Let's see. Yeah, I'm sure you could squeeze this together a little more. Okay, that's actually really cute. I'd wear that. That is actually, that's so pretty. And it's hefty. It's not like, it doesn't feel cheap, but that's like almost closed. I don't know if I could get it any tighter. Oh, okay, that's good actually. Oh, that's actually really cute. And I think there's a gold one coming in the next box, which I could totally see myself wearing. So at fully closed, and I don't have like, I mean, I think I have like average size wrists. So if you have like super small wrists, it might be a little loose, but then it could kind of look like a bangle. But I really love this, and I love that it is bows. I'm gonna keep it on because I really like it. I'm actually gonna wear this. This is super cute. Into this pen gem, it is like gold with, it's not white, I don't think, because that's white. So it's kind of like an off-white ivory barrel, which I really like, with these really pretty champagne-ish gems in it, which I love. So thank you, Susan, for that. Let's see what else is in here. So you get this really pretty bag. I love this color. I feel like this color is really unique that she has through the bag. This like really fuchsia-y color. You do get some bows with a really pretty backer card. Super cute. Bow, charm, and paperclip set. So this is the bow charm. It's velvet. This texture would kill Nick though. And then this bow clip with, I love the wide bottom. This is so cute. Then there are these sticky notes, which I was also really excited for because I love this color. It's so rich and saturated. I think I saw this sneaked on Irene's Instagram, and this color is just so pretty. It's so like luxe. I feel like I love the contrast with my nails. Like this is life. But I love this. I think it's so pretty. I love the simple heart shape, and this pink is like, it's killing it. I love it. You do get the personal notebook, which was this always shrink wrapped? I thought it was in a cello. Don't want to scratch it. I've been just putting these in my little like save for later craft type situation for Bennett because I don't use a pocket notebook. You could totally use these for like lists on the go too. I actually really love this one. I like the dark colors with the hot pink color. This is a really unique color, this like pink color, and I just like really am feeling it. I feel like Irene does a lot of like pastels and simple, light, fluffy, girly colors. So I think that this colorway is just something totally different, which I just love. And I love that hot pink string. That is so fun. I might actually keep this one and put it in my purse because this is like really lovely. I love that. Then there are some bow seals which are really pretty. You have a lot of patterns in there with the rose gold. And then you have this Live Boldly journaling card, which is super pretty. And then you have the sticker sheets, which every month I'm just like, they're cute. Like I always say, I wish she did like 9 full boxes and then the deco on white and then maybe less headers. They're really pretty. I love like these. I just feel like they remind me of like if her journaling cards were shorter, was smaller. So like, cause you do see like the Live Boldly one there. So I'd love like 9 of them because I feel like her designs are so pretty. Even if it was just like some pattern ones, you know. And then you could do like a full spread with the washi and everything. But these are really cute. And again, I just put these in my like Bubba craft section. I just went through all my stickers recently and just like put a bunch in there because I know that, you know, he's going to want to be into planning and I'm going to be like, you have your own stickers. I've saved these ones special for you. So I just realized I filmed this entire haul. Like the next day I realized that I never showed you the washi from this Simply Gilded box. Is this like... The lighting seems weird. Anyways, so these are the washis from the Simply Gilded box. So you do have 2 bows. They are floral with rose gold that match the kit. Then you do have the ones with words, which I don't really love the ones with words, but still cute. I like this one the most probably actually out of all 5 washis, and it's the hot pink with the rose gold. Is that rose gold? Actually looks like champagne. No, it's rose gold. Rose gold lace on. That's probably my favorite one. And then also the pink and then the rose gold stripe is cute too. So very usable, those two. So love those. But I completely like forgotten that I was like, oh wait, what did the washis even look like? So there they are. So I did pick up some washi at Michael's. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these in my planner spreads or just put them in my December daily section. But I figured I'd mention them here because they are really pretty. They have a lot of the Christmas stuff up at Michael's already, and I am loving all of these designs here. So these ones are from the Recollection brand. Super pretty. This is like a very hot gold, and then like champagne gold, rose gold, and silver. This is Christmas at Paper Crafts. They were both about $5, but I probably got them on some kind of discount. But also while I was at Michael's, I did pick up 2 of the Chrissy Ann Designs sticker books, and I thought these were really cute. She had like 10 sticker books and then a bunch of washi and sticky notes, I think. But I mostly bought them for these like holidays. I thought were really cute. I think they're on clear sticker paper. Yeah, they're on clear sticker paper, and I just thought they were really cute. I kind of wish they came in gold too, but maybe they'll come out with that in the future. So they have all of these, and I'm probably going to honestly just declutter the ones that aren't the like silver ones, just because I think these are on vinyl. You can only write on them with permanent marker, but I am going to be taking out like these ones and keeping the clear ones. And then this one I thought was really cute. So this has different bucket lists. These aren't clear, but they have like everything that you could need like written on here. Is so cute. So I thought these were really cute, so I'll probably just save the bucket lists. And then I've considered saving these ones too because I feel like they're pretty universal. I like these little candles, but I'm not sure. These are really cute too, but I feel like the colors wouldn't always match the spreads, but I'm not sure yet. But they're super cute and I love them, so I had to pick them up. Then, and those were at Michael's. And then I have an order in from Wonton & Million. It's a pretty big order. I did have another piece to this, but it was for my winter planner land table, so I already went ahead and put that, or is that this? No, I went ahead and put it away already. So I did go ahead and pick up a set of her greeting cards. I think this is the set of 8. So I just picked these up. I feel like I just hoard these things when I probably should use them. So these are on like a shimmery cardstock, which is really cool. It gives a really neat vibe. So this is the first one, and these are still in her shop, I think. And there's the second one, third one, and then the 4th one. So cute. And then I got the set of 8, so I got doubles of those, and they come with the red envelopes in the box. So sweet. I wanted to do some greeting cards this year, but time just got away from me. And then I also got these ones, which are really cute. They're kind of like big die cuts. And then she also gives you envelopes so you can give them as cards. But I thought these would be cute to add to my December daily as well. So I did get the set of 8 again. So they're just duplicates. And they're like cards that are just, you know, like a big die cut. And then on the back you have room to write. But you could totally just buy these and use them as die cuts. Like if you wanted to use this big die cut in your planner, I think that'd be adorable. And it comes with envelopes as well. And if I do end up using these as like December daily like decoration items, I can also use the envelopes because they're a really pretty red color in my December daily, or I always save envelopes for sending other items to other people. I also got her one set of her holiday ornament seals. I thought these were really cute. So I picked those up. They're supposed to look like little ornaments. I thought those were adorable. And then I picked up a bunch of stickers. I think I picked up 3 sets of the Christmas one. I picked up 2 sets of the winter one. These were packaged with the other one. Let me open it up. So I ordered, I think, 3 sets of this one, so I'll only open one of these. And then this is a set that I already have in here. So I got this little I voted seal, which I'm actually going to give this to Amanda because I know she's going to love it. And then there is the freebie, which is super cute. I love it. I always love her freebies. I think they're adorable. And then this is the set that this is, I believe. Yes, this is a 2-sheet set, so I'm not going to open that one. And it has some of her foiled stickers on her new amazing buttery paper, which is so nice. It's like a matte vinyl, I would say. So you have some winter items and you have winter bucket list items. Her like bucket list words are separate, so you could totally put them with the items, or if you just want to use the items by themselves and use the bucket list later, you totally could do that. So I picked up 2 of those, one to use, one to hoard, y'all know. And then I picked up 3 of the Christmas ones, again, one to use, 2 to hoard, which I feel like I do a lot. So this one has 4 sheets in it. So this one has, you know, the little friends one, which will come in super handy. Jessica is coming for Christmas. She'll be here for 5 days, I think, and I'm super psyched. These are really pretty. Actually, I haven't looked at them yet, but they're so beautiful. And I love these colors. They're going to go perfect with my holiday kits I have planned. And then you have this little countdown, which I don't know if I'm going to use for a countdown. I might use it in my monthly. And then you have this garland too, which is really nice. So got 3 of those, and then I just picked up some of these random sheets. So these don't have foil on them, but they're super cute. So you have this one, which is skiing, snowboarding, let it snow, which it doesn't snow here, but it's okay. Trip to the North Pole. I love these little hat ones. They're just so universal. And then let's go to the movies, which is just so, so sweet. You can use this totally if you just want to stay at home and go to and watch movies too. So it works. I do have an order from Calligraphy by Lindsay. She put out a Christmas bundle, and it was $18 for these. I don't remember this being in here. For these vinyls. That might have been a freebie, or maybe it wasn't there and I just didn't notice. But she has some header overlays and this like champagne. It's a very like, I think, I wouldn't even say champagne. I'd say it's like light gold, like very light. No, I guess it's like a champagne color. So you have all of these here, which are like deco pieces, which you could just peel up. They don't have like the overlay. So you can just peel that up and stick wherever. And then these ones have the little overlay. So this one says, "Kiss me under the mistletoe" in her handwriting. "Have yourself a merry little Christmas," and "All I want for Christmas is you." Definitely going to be using these in December daily. I wish I would have looked in soft shade like a hot gold, because I feel like that would have matched my theme better. But if it doesn't match my theme this year, I will consider it for next year's theme to kind of go more champagne color. I have 2 kits here. What did I even order? Oh, this goes with this. I'm like, what? I have 2 kits here from Glam Planner, Elle's shop. There are 2 Christmas kits. I don't know if I'm going to use these this year, but I'm probably going to save them for next year. So I did grab this one, which is a Christmas kit with bloomsicle art, which is super cute. I love this. I used it for my December monthly. This is what it looks like. You get like the 2 extra full boxes. I haven't like looked at this since she's changed it, but it's super cute. And then you have like extra washi glitter strips, the glitter headers, and then the big box there. Then you also, I ordered, I think, these girls. I thought these were really pretty. I love this art. This art is by Kareen. Not Kareen. Ugh. What am I saying? Kareen is bloomsicle. Did I say Kareen? Oops. Here we go. This is by the Cheeky Darling. That's who it's by. This is really pretty though. This is like beautiful. I love the blues. I love blues with Christmas. Blues and grays. And she did, Cheeky Darling did a kind of like grays and blues Christmas last year art that I used, and I loved it, but this is so pretty. I love with the Starbucks red cup, and these extra full boxes are really pretty. I love the gray with it. And you have washi, and then your bottom washi. I really like that bottom washi. Super cute. Canon. Jeez. I'm losing it. So I got these a la carte, and then there is the double box, and then you also have the glitter sampler there. So that's everything that I got from the Glam Planner. And like I said, I don't know if I'm going to get to these this year, but I'll probably save them from last year. I have probably the biggest stash of Glam Planner kits as far as like hoarding. I like to hoard them. So that's everything for this haul. I hope you guys liked it. I feel like sometimes I'm like, I'm going to take this haul slow, And then like by the end of it, I'm like, I probably talked so dang fast. So that's everything for this haul. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I love this bracelet. I'm like super into it. But anyways, yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video.